sometimes you want to order off the menu, and I think you do a lot better when you do that. Well, there's a lot of ways to think about trades, and I think this is the thing that a lot of people, if they knew, they would be better traders. People think about trading as securities, and that's the only thing you could trade as security, and that's just so wrong. You could trade anything, and ultimately, like anything you do, you can basically think about it as investment. And once you start thinking the world through that lens, I think a lot of things change. Sometimes you want to order off the menu, and I think you do a lot better when you do that. And so when I think of the menu in hedge funds, it's usually like domestic stocks, well-trafficked stocks, liquid stocks, stuff like that. And everyone's looking at the same shit. And it's really boring because if everyone's looking at the same thing, everyone's like putting a microscope under the same securities. Well, there's some security somewhere else that nobody's looking at. But like, how do you turn a small pile of money into a large pile of money, right? That's kind of the goal. And you think about like, I don't really care how I do that. All I really care about is that I do it, right? But assuming that's what you want, that's really the focus. Is like, I'll do anything to win. So like when you look at all kinds of assets as they're just possible trades, you can really find some amazing opportunities.